go ahead and click on edit. So I showed you how you can tag people. Like if somebody has gone to my website, I can add in a tag called website visitors. But what is the need of these tags? What would I do with these tags? Why did I even tag it, right? What would I do with the information that, okay, somebody has clicked on, visited my website or not? So this tagging is used for segmenting our audiences. Like, if I might have 1,000 subscribers, okay, but out of those thousands, only 200 or 300 people actually went ahead and visited my website. Okay, so now I know that these 300 people are my warm audiences. Okay, and these are the people who are engaging with my content, right? So I can use this characteristic. I can use this information that okay, I have my website visitors segmented. Right now it is all in my mind that okay, website visitors were there, right? Some people went to my website, but how can you use that information inside ManyChat to only send messages to those people itself? That is where segmenting comes in, right? So I hope you're clear with what tagging means, and this is a powerful feature. Okay, we use it a lot in case of email marketing, right? Tagging is huge in terms of the funnels that you can create, the content types that you can create for different phases of the customer journey. Don't worry if you don't understand it as of now. For the sake of this video and for the messenger marketing, you just need to understand that you can tag people based on the actions that they perform. Like if they clicked on a button, you can give them a tag. If they opened up something, you can give them a tag, right? These are the actions. If they unsubscribed you can even give them a tag as well. So now what to do with these tags? Let me go to the audience part, and you can see here that we have this check boxes. So there's going to be a list of subscribers here, right? When you build that. So if I just click on it and if I click on the filter button, so here we get the conditions. All right. First of all, we have the bulk actions here, that what I want to do. Like for all these subscribers, I can add a tag directly or I can even remove a tag, or I can subscribe them to a sequence that I have created, right? By default, the person doesn't have to do anything. I will subscribe them to a sequence, or I will unsubscribe them to a sequence, right? Then we have the other options here available as well. But I want to create segments, right? So I had, the Anmol Dugal has already visited the website, so that tag has been applied to it, right? That must have been applied to it. So how can you check that? So see here, we have this condition here that if we want to check for tags, right? We have other options like opted in through widget, opted in through ad. So you can even target, you can tag, you can filter people based on that as well. Like the widgets that we added on our website, the growth tools that I showed you in one of the previous videos, if they have come up inside your audience list through widgets, you can segment those people separately, and if people have come through ad, you can segment them separately. All right. So let's click on the tag. So see here, if tag is, now website visitors were our tag, then there was this ebook subscriber as well, right? So if I click on website visitors, so now I will see only those people. Okay, now see what option do we have here. We have an option to create segment. So I can create a segment and I can name them as website visitors. All right, and I can confirm it. So when this segment is now created, I can actually go ahead and perform certain actions on these as well. So see here, when the segment is, now with the is website visitors, now what I can do, I can actually go ahead and filter these people out. I can select them, and I can maybe delete them, or I can remove them. So these are the actions that I can do with the segments. Okay, with the segments in place, when I have selected the number of subscribers who are my website visitors, I can add a different tag to them. I can subscribe them to a new sequence for a warm audience, right? I want to maybe populate more information about some new content that I can provide them. So I will subscribe them directly to a sequence. Otherwise, what are these bulk actions for, right? Bulk actions are for segmenting, for actually performing some actions on a certain chunk of your audience. And how are you going to find that chunk? Based on the tags. So understand the flow. Tags will be there inside the sequences that you build. Okay, then you can filter your audience based on those tags, and then you can segment that audience, and to that segmented audience you can actually go ahead and subscribe them or unsubscribe them from sequence. Okay, so this is what you can do with tagging, segmenting, and broadcasting inside of ManyChat. So with this, we have come to the end of the Facebook ads and chatbot marketing course. This is Anmol Dugal wishing you a lot of success, right, with the information that you have in hand. So there is a lot of potential. You can use this information to grow your own business, right, to brand yourself as well, or you can help clients, or you can help your friends and relatives. What all is your objective of buying this course and getting started with this course? You can achieve a lot. All right, so don't waste this opportunity. Don't just be an information grabber, right, an information consumer. Go ahead and practice it. spend some money on advertising. It's all an advertising game right now, because organic reach is dead. I am repeating the same words that I did in the initial videos, in the first or second videos, right? That why Facebook advertising, why digital marketing, why paid advertising in the first place. So now you know all the benefits that you can actually get when you choose paid advertising, right? So don't waste this opportunity. I'm going to, I'm sure that you're going to succeed with this information, and I'm hoping for your success. So go out there and kill it with Facebook advertising. This is Anmol Dugal signing off, wishing you all the best. Bye bye.